ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
ka Harijan Panchayat Committee ha ka Pratari Gubnai Risau Arajar Arphuai kala kentaj ban priang ni ki jing ai jingmut jong ka High Level Committee sha ka Sarkar Jilla ha ka bayadai bat ka jing pen kenria ye ki breu ki ba shong basa ha Sweepers Colony ha them yo Maulong Secretary jong ka Harijan Panchayat Committee Gurjit Singh ha kurwa bala pha shikilat pathai khubor ula ong bagi jaj ben reu sik ki ba shong basa athem yo Maulong kin ya khun ba yela ka jong ka hok lada ka sarkar kan kendang ye ki dakabor na po athem yo Maulong ha po shita yo kumbala penbana do menteri rang ba ka jilla Konrad Sangma
वो जो हाई लेवल कमेटी का डिसीजन है उसको रिजेक्ट करते हैं जो हमारा सोसाइटी है उसका साइड से रीजनल पंचायत कमेटी से उसको रिजेक्ट करते हैं क्योंकि उसमें जो हमारे लोगों का राइट है उसका तो ख्याल नहीं रखा गया ना। तो हम लोग जैसा चाहते थे वैसा हाई लेवल कमेटी ने रिपोर्ट नहीं दिया और जो सीएम साहब ने जो तुरंत उसमें फैसला लिया है और हमारे लोगों के लिए जो उन्होंने बोला है कि वहाँ पे जो अर्बन अफेयर्स को ये ऑनरशिप दे देंगे वो तो बिल्कुल गलत है क्योंकि हमारे लोग वहाँ पे 200 साल से रह रहे हैं और सीएम ऑफ विलियम ने 200 साल पहले ये लैंड गिफ्टेड किया था हमारा कम्युनिटी को और वो देने के बाद में एक बार जब किसी को दे दिया जाता है तो उसको दोबारा वापस नहीं लिया जाता है और 200 साल से हम लोग वहाँ पे रह रहे हैं तो हमारा राइट है वहाँ पे वो प्रॉपर्टी का ऊपर में और हम लोग चाहते हैं कि हमारी जो कम्युनिटी है उसको वहाँ पे ही जो सेटल किया जाए और हमारा वो ज़मीन के साथ में बहुत भावना जुड़ा हुआ है क्योंकि हमारा वहाँ पे रिलीजियस प्लेस है और हम लोग इतने सालों से वहाँ पे रह रहे हैं।
Shushu ula ongru baka jingkam jong ka Sarkar Jilla bakala shimya ka rai kat kum ka jing ai jingmut jong ka High Level Committee ban penken ria no ye ki nong trei jong ka municipal ye ki nong trei jong ki wei ki tenat Sarkar bad ye ki breu ki basa hathem yo Maulong ka pen pa shai baka Sarkar Meghalaya kala pen khen ye ki hukum ki bala pen mi de ka yeng bishar Meghalaya High Court ha ka khandai tarik ubna yeyong 8000 khat khandai.
I have all the documentary proof which was given by the CM of William. 2008, Latho Manik CM, he given us a declaration type, copy to all the department of Meghalaya. We are staying since 1853 and Land Transfer Act applicable after 1957. So that Land Act not applied in our case. Gift means once gift is given, no one take back it. So how CM of William again giving this land to other person? That means Shillong Municipal Board and Urban Department. No question to release or re-give. Challenge na this case is pending before the Supreme Court also and High Court also and this commissions na Minority Commission, Human Rights Commission and this SC/ST Commission, everywhere case is pending na. How CM of William give this type of this press conference and take resolution. This is very bad now because he misleading the local people na by giving this type of statement in the press. He misleading the local people and again it will be very dangerous for us because we are minority in here no, in the state of Meghalaya and so many people always came from Punjab. They also assaulted by the mob, no? That is very dangerous for us. We are doing this type of the activities due to this by-election or election. He knows everything. There is nothing to do, no? Because already there is status quo order from the High Court. Judgment also in my favor, in our favor. We challenge and wait what is High Court and other courts say. No? No moving, no. Actually, this high-level committee doing a wrong thing, no. That's why I challenge high-level committee and keep their activities status quo. To relocate, no. We are staying there about 200 years, no. We are staying even that when Khasi people are not staying in Shillong city. We are staying long back, no. Give a press release to newspaper and social media and video also that we are not in favor of this government decision. There is two cases in High Court. One case in which status quo is given, and other case filed by the government of Meghalaya, that is appeal. Because we get judgment in my favor in 2019, and government appeal on that judgment, and other one case is Supreme Court, that is also pending.